Hello and welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Kira and today I have a little afternoon kind of day in the life. Let's get right into it. I'm gonna grab my to-do list and let you guys know what's going on. So I've already got quite a bit done today. It's already 11:30 I believe, but I just decided I wanted to film like a little bit of my afternoon, kind of the later part of the day. So here's our afternoon to-do list. Just quickly run you through some of the stuff. So I went to work out. I have this huge pile of laundry that I really need to get done. I need to just do a quick little cleanup of my room. It's pretty clean. Maybe I'll give you guys like a little room tour if you want. My posts on YouTube Shorts, Instagram. And then I have some other like work computer tasks I need to do, sending some different brand deals, doing a few things like that. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be up to this afternoon, and let's get into it. Before I start like getting into everything, I did want to show you guys, because I got some questions about it, the like makeup routine I do. I realized like I already did my makeup this morning, but I'll just run you through the products I use. And if you want like an in-depth like get ready with me, or I'm actually like putting it on, let me know and I can do that as well. First thing I use is this little moisturizer. Then I also use this little eye cream. Let's see. I'm gonna link all of these below so that you can get any of them. Where is the front of this? Oh, okay, there it is. So I use this little eye cream. If your concealer gets like really dry under your eyes, definitely try using an eye cream before you put it on. I feel like it helps so much. And then for sunscreen, I use the e.l.f. Sun Touchable. This is a great alternative for the Supergoop Unseen sunscreen. I absolutely love the Supergoop one, but if you want something a little more affordable, this is only like $13, I believe. And then I decided to go back to this concealer. I used to use this all the time. I figured I would try it out again. This is a really good like fuller coverage option. I don't use foundation, I just use this, and I feel like it works very nice. And I use just a little bit of this powder. For my brows, I either use this brow gel, which is what I have on now, or I just use this little brow pencil. Then for mascara, I just started using this. It's the telescopic one from L'Oreal. I absolutely love this. My lashes are very like straight, like they don't hold a curl, they don't want to curl, but these make them look like sort of curl. I just got the carbon black one. I've been seeing people use like the brown mascara. I really want to try that. I feel like that would look either really good or really bad. So let me know if you think I should try that out. Okay, last thing for makeup, and then we'll actually start getting some stuff done. If I decide to do my lips, I use this little pencil. This is the ColourPop So Juicy pencil. This smells so good. I shared this in another video, but oh my gosh, it smells so good. That's besides the point. I got distracted. It's really, oh, I think I just broke it. Psst. Okay, we're gonna ignore that. It's this really, really pretty color. I don't have it on right now, but it's a very natural looking color. And then over that, I just put this to make them look like glossy. It's just this lip cream. This stuff smells so good as well. Anyways, that's my little makeup routine. I feel like this is the perfect kind of everyday makeup routine. Not anything crazy, but it gets the job done. So anyways, let's move on to actually getting some stuff done. So I think before we do anything else, I want to go get my workout in. Yesterday was supposed to be cardio day. However, I did not have time yesterday, so I'm gonna do it today instead, because today was supposed to be a rest anyways. If you want a more in-depth video of like my workouts and all that, I can definitely do that. Got this super cool new bike. I'll show you guys a little review because it's really awesome. I'm very excited to use it. So let's pick out a little outfit to do some cardio. So I have these little purple leggings I'm gonna wear. These are so stretchy and they're such a nice material. These are just like a straight leg style. Usually I like flare leggings. I feel like they're more flattering, but for cardio, they kind of get in the way. So I'm just gonna wear these. I'm gonna wear this top. It has a built-in sports bra, which is really nice. It's on and then we'll go get into it. The outfit is on. I'll show you guys in the mirror so you can see the full look, but I need to quickly do my hair. I think I'm just gonna do 2 braids. I definitely need to wash my hair after this. I'm growing my hair out and I feel like the braids look so much better. I also have been growing like the layers out as well, so there's not as much hair sticking out. I mean, besides like my front pieces. Okay, braids are done. And when we get back, it's gonna be time to deal with this. And where is it? This. Before I forget, here is the full outfit. please ignore the dirty mirror and this pile behind me. We're gonna clean those after the workout, but here's the leggings and the little shirt. Absolutely love these. I don't understand how this happens. Almost every single time I put my hair in braids, I missed a piece. Every single time. A big piece. So for my workout today, I'm gonna be going on a little indoor bike ride. And I'll be using my Yesoul bike. I want to thank Yesoul for sponsoring today's video. So this bike is a great alternative to Peloton if you're looking for an indoor bike that is going to be a lot cheaper. So as you can see, this is a spin style bike. So you strap your feet in here. These straps are adjustable. I feel like bike riding is such a good workout, especially if you are trying to hit your legs. And just overall, it's a really good cardio style workout. And then this is one of my absolute favorite features of this. You can connect it to their app and it has all these different workouts, different scenery you can go through, different classes you can do. I ended up doing one of the scenery routes for my workout, but here's a little example so you can see what one of the classes would look like. So yeah, this is just one of the examples. They have tons of different classes that you can hook up and change the volume on this little speaker as well. Another really cool feature is that since this is connected to your phone, you can watch whatever you want, whether it be Netflix, YouTube, whatever. And then as you can see here, the screen does rotate, which I think is really nice. Another really nice feature is that it actually has two little cup holders. So you can just store your cup, store whatever else you want in those. And then obviously it has a really nice, sleek looking design. I love the red and black color combo. And I mean, how could you not love that logo? It's literally a unicorn. And then this is the knobby twist to change the resistance of the bike. The seat is also super cushy and comfortable. Not sure if cushy's a word, but you get what I mean. So anyways, here is my little bike ride on this bike. Obviously I sped it up so you don't have to watch the entire thing. But I absolutely love this bike. It does have little wheels. If you did want to move it around, you could do it outside if you wanted. You could put it in your living room. You could literally put it wherever you want. So again, thank you to Yesoul for sponsoring today's video. I will leave a discount code on the screen and in the description. So definitely make sure you check out Yesoul if you're looking for an exercise bike. Alright, as I'm sure you just saw in the last clips, I just made my lunch, so let me show you what I'm... So I just made this, and then a little smoothie bowl. Usually I have like avocado and turkey bacon with the eggs as well. I just am not that hungry today, but that's my little lunch. Alright, I have eaten lunch and I am back in my room now, so it is time to get the laundry done. I'm looking, where's the camera? There's the camera. and put away my clean clothes and just kind of clean up my room a little bit. So let's get into it. Let me figure out where to put the camera so you can see that. I think maybe this is a good angle so you can see me doing the laundry and all that. Probably put this on like a time lapse so that it's quicker, because I don't think you need to watch me fold every single thing. So that's what I'm going to be doing for the foreseeable future here. Whoops. I just put away all the clean clothes, so now it is time to go through this massive pile of laundry, sort it out, get it ready to go. There's probably gonna be like 4 loads of laundry, so fun times. What color is this shirt? What color would you call this shirt? Because I posted a video and I think it looks green. I think it looks like an olive kind of green color, but everyone said it looks brown, and I still feel like it looks green. I don't know. What do we think? Let me know. Do you think this looks like brown or green, or is it like a mixture? I feel like it's an olive green color. Okay, I finished sorting the clothes, so I took a few loads, 2 loads downstairs, but I still have these, so I'll be washing them. But I thought it'd be fun to give a little room tour, so let me turn the camera around and let's do that. It's obviously not perfectly clean right now, however, here is my bed up here. Down here we have my little couch. I put my stuff for brand deals over here, just so that I don't get it mixed up with other stuff, but that's what we have there. We've got some shoes over here. I need to figure out what to do with all of these extra shoes, but that's my little shoe rack. But I've got my little desk area here. It's a standing, or like a movable desk, so I can sit or stand at it, which is really nice, especially when I'm filming stuff, because I can adjust the height. And then I've got all of my jewelry over here and in those 2 boxes, and then my makeup in this little bag. Is my mirror. This mirror has been on the back of my door and I've meant to get rid of it. I just keep forgetting, but I don't really use that one. This one I like because I can move it around, because sometimes I like to film outside of my room as well. Over here I just have a bunch of bags. I mostly use this one and then my 2 school bags, which are right over there. Here is my closet. So up here I have dresses, like fancier dresses that I don't wear that often. I just figured it's best to just have them kind of out of the way. I've got some clothes up here that are for either different seasons or for like filming that I thought would be cool to make a video with. And then I have the clothes that I wear more often down here. So I've got some boots, I have some jeans and pants. I've got obviously like shirts, all that. Down here I've got my sweatshirts, a couple of swimsuits, and then a bunch of sweaters, shorts. I've got all my skirts hanging up here. And then on this side I have some more pants up here, lots of clothes in here. And then I've got some more shirts, little sweaters, cardigans, dresses, and jumpsuits, and 2 pieces over here. And then some more skirts down here as well. Over here I just have my dresser, and I have my little shelves. Here I've got workout clothes, pajamas, sweatpants, and like, what is in here actually? Let's see. I think this one, yeah, this one's like sweatpants and comfy shorts. This one is like tank tops, basically all my basic shirts. And then that's pajamas, and I already said that, and workout clothes, and then bras and underwear and socks. Here I have just some of, well, this shouldn't be here, but it's supposed to be like my sweaters and kind of puffer jackets, that kind of stuff. Or sometimes I'll put an outfit that I'm gonna wear soon, like right here. Here I have some stuff that I thought would be cool to film with soon, so I've just got that ready to go. I need to film with this stuff soon though, so it can be out of the way. Okay, so since I need my phone for most of the tasks that I'm gonna be doing, I think I'm gonna end this video here. Unless anything else cool happens, I'll add it in. But I think we're gonna end it off here, and yeah. Thank you so much for watching. I know this was a different style video, so if you like these kind of videos, definitely make sure to subscribe and let me know if you want to see more of them, because I can definitely do more like day in the life kind of videos. Thank you again to Yesoul for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to check out their exercise bikes. They're an absolutely amazing Peloton alternative for way cheaper. Yeah, that is all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an absolutely amazing rest of your day.